Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 12 Fundamental Concepts and Operation Exercise 12D Question 1, that is divide. So we have to divide. Okay, simple thing is we have to do divisions. What we have to do? We have to divide a monomial by a monomial. Okay, so there are different types of division: monomial by monomial, polynomial by polynomial, and so on. This is the first one and the simplest one. How you will do this? First part, you have 28a cube b square c by 7ab. Now in these two terms, can you see this is the number part, this is the variable part, this is the number part, this is the variable part. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to divide the numbers part, right, the number with the other number separately. That means you have to divide the numerical coefficient separately and the literal coefficient also separately. Then whatever you get, you multiply both of them. See, take in brackets. Okay, first one will be 28 divided by 7. So can you see the numerical coefficient of the first term is divided by the numerical coefficient of the second term. Okay, and since it is division, so this by will not affect the order. In subtraction it is, if you have to divide, okay, if you have to divide, then the order will not change. Okay, see, now 28 divided by 7. Now we will put multiplication in between, because whatever answer we will get from the number part and the variable part, both of them have to be multiplied to get the final answer. That's why I am putting a multiplication sign in between. And now we have to take the variables a cube b square c by ab. Okay, now you can solve this. So 28 will go 4 times by 7, 4 into here a cube and a. So as I said, when you are dividing, the power will be subtracted. Okay, if you have a to power m divided by a to the power n, you have simply a to power m minus n. So powers are subtracted. The denominator, the power of the denominator is subtracted from the power of the numerator. So m minus n, same here, 3 minus 1, that means a square, b square and then b, so 2 minus 1, that is 1, so simply b. And c, you can see there is no other c in the denominator, so c you will write down as it is. So what do you get? 4a square bc. Fine. All the second part also here. Okay, see, 48 a to power 4 b to power 5 c to power 6 by minus 16 a square c square. Same thing here, you have to divide the numerical part by the numerical part. So 48 will be divided by minus 16, and then you have to put multiplication sign. Okay, this is minus sign here, and then in the other bracket you have to write down the variable parts, right? So the first term has a to power 4 b to power 5 c to power 6. Second term has a square and c square. Now you can solve it easily. Now this will go and this will go, 1 and 3, but you should see the minus sign also, so we will have minus 3 here. Okay, and multiplication sign, now multiply it by this, divide it, a to power 4 a squared, so 4 minus 2 becomes 2 only, so a square. Then b to power 5 and no b in the second term, so simply you have to write down b to power 5 here, and c to power 6 c square, so 6 minus 2 becomes 4, so c to power 4. This becomes what? Minus 3 a square b to power 5 c to power 4. That becomes the answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now do the third part also. Here we have what? Let's see, minus 4 by 5 a square b square c to power 4 divided by minus 6 by 15 a b c square. So you have to be careful, you have fractions this time, you have to divide one fraction by the other fraction. Okay, so I will write it clearly here. See, minus 4 by 5, this is the first fraction, this you have to divide by minus 6 by 15 and multiply it with the variable. So variable is same here, a square b square c to power 4 divided by a b c square. Now do it. Here division sign will change to multiplication, minus 4 by 5 into, now the second fraction will be reciprocated, so 15 by 6, and minus sign will be there. Now you can cancel this and this, so 3, 4 and 6, so 2, and here also 3. Now 3 and 3 will cancel. Variable part, a square and a, so 2 minus 1, so simply a. B square and b, so 2 minus 1, b. C to power 4 and c square, so c square here also. What do you get here? C minus 2. Okay, this is a different thing. So you have minus 2 into and then minus something, so minus will become plus, and here we will have 2, and this variable part will come here, 2abc square. So this will become the answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.